unbelievable. It's so good. Okay, I'm currently back home while editing this video, and basically I want to explain what's going on because we arrive on Utila and then there's literally like 4 days where I don't record. So those 4 days were us doing our open water diving. That's like the certificate that allows you to dive to 18 meters anywhere in the world without a guide. So yeah, that's why there was no real recording done in those 4 days. So I'm gonna jump back into the video here now. I'm like sitting up on this wooden platform looking out and watching the sunset on Paddy's Day. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, this is my 2022 St. Patrick's Day. Drinking some rum and lemonade on Utila in Honduras. But yeah, the last few days just been doing that paddy course, qualified there yesterday. This island is unreal. If people do Honduras, this is where most people come. But I really do want to do the mainland as well, especially the Copan ruins. But when I leave this island, I don't know. So yeah, until then I think I'm just gonna chill out here. Can't really complain about this. We're meant to be doing a boat tour on Sunday, so that should be really good. I'll hopefully bring the drone. But yeah, happy Paddy's Day. This will probably be up way after Paddy's Day, probably like a month later, a month and a half later. But yeah, hope you had a good one and I'll see you whenever. This place is absolutely ridiculous. We took a $20 boat, which is quite expensive, but look at this, and they just drop you off in this island. The water is like crystal clear. Everyone's down here having drinks.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes
down. Today is Sophie's birthday. No better way to celebrate than some rum on the beach. I mean, it's pretty nice. It's pretty good. 21 today.
26.
Oh no! In Denmark, for if you turn 25 and you're not married, you get covered in cinnamon. Sophie wasn't home for her 25th birthday, and today's her 26th, so we covered her in cinnamon. Makes you look more tan.
Yeah, great space.
No llenaras de fantasías, ya me dijiste lo que quería. No eran besos ni poesía. Chica, y si tú quisieras una sola vez conmigo, hay que ser claro lo que quieres, bebé. Ya pasó tu primavera y el amor que se fue, pero las ganas de darle.
Turned into like a proper trail now. Just everywhere you go here is just a good view. 1 second now. Woohoo!
1 second.
Oh my god, can you climb this?
You can climb it.
What? Let's climb it.
Conmigo hay que ser claro lo que quieres, bebé. Ya pasó tu primavera y el amor que se fue.
And this is Pumpkin Hill.
Las ganas de darle aumentan cada vez. Sé lo que siento, pero tú
You can literally see the entire island.
no sientes.
just annihilated some baleadas and a 6-pack of beer.
Ah,
And now we're having some sweet bread.
and banana bread.
So good. Alright, breakfast secured, 2 brownies. Turns out when there's a boat going scuba diving, you can just hop on and go snorkeling. So after a pretty heavy night of drinking last night, that's what we're gonna go do this morning.
Honestly, didn't even wanna rap on this. Used to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing. Shot when I land. Promoter paid for 6 flights. Got the team right. I just told Mr. Band. Came in for the bands. Beachside Villa for aesthetic. Just because and I don't even like the sand. Stan Smith sneakers on the beach. That's the water. I just came in for the tan. This was always planned. You wouldn't understand. I could turn a Chevy to a Cullinan. I could turn the roads to an AP. I came from Sorry Sir to come again. I came from 2 screens to HD. Tell her why you mad for. Go on, tell her why you mad for. No new friends, I couldn't catch a win until I cut off the loose ends.
There's a shark over here. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's a nurse shark.
Used to whip the Honda in the trunk of that 210s. Just like that too. Out the speakers was max speed. Couldn't say a thing about the way if you asked me. Never.
Pretty dirt. I'm meant to be leaving tomorrow, but ferry to the mainland was cancelled today, and I don't think this is going to stop anytime soon. Weather forecast said it's down for tomorrow too, so yeah, I could be here for another few days. It's been so much fun, but I am kind of ready to leave. It's been 2 weeks tomorrow, so it's a long time to be in one place. But yeah, it's been so much fun. It's been great crack. So yeah, I suppose we'll just see tomorrow what the story is, but more than likely to hear till Monday. That is the news. As well as that, like Petra's gone, Luke's gone, Sophia's going tomorrow to Rotan. There's 4 beds here and it's going to be just me. If you're not diving or drinking, there's not a whole lot to be at. It's not great for people that want to do work online. Petra really struggled to get good Wi-Fi, so she was just using her 3G. Another one of the girls is trying to work online and it's just not good. Like, the Wi-Fi is just mediocre. So apparently the exchange rate changed and now it's 25 Limperias to a dollar instead of what, 23. So now it's 10 grand. It's 10,000 Limperias.
You have to pay for 10 nights.
Yeah, well I have to pay for like 11.
Yeah, good luck.
1, 2, yeah, I have 11,000. Is it that much of a difference?
Yeah.
Is it? It's an extra €30. An extra $30.
That's a lot.
That is a big change.
Yeah.
Life's expensive, man. And that has been Utila. Unbelievable. So much fun. The weather's finally getting better. So yeah, time to make moves to Copan Ruins, I guess.